guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. Obviously my silliness hasn't deterred you, so that's good. I have some packages that I ordered not too long ago, so I thought I'd unbox with you, and of course got nothing else better to do than my nails, so they are all nail related. So I've got this package from She Nails, so let's open up. These are stick-on nails as well, but they're not custom, so I think you get like 24 in a set. Whatever nail fits, then that's the ones that you use. So I ordered 3, so we'll just have a look. So these are the first ones. They're just a clear set. This one is called Crystal. So the box opens at the front. It's just a flip open, and then that's the nails inside. And then you open this, and then you've got your glue, your nail file, and your orange wood stick on the back, and then you've got all the rest of the nails, alcohol pads, and the sticky tabs as well. So I might try the sticky tabs today because we do not want a disaster like the last time. So that's the first set that I got, just clear. And also on the back it's got the directions for application, which is really nice. Then I got these, like a flame with silver glitter and pink outline. Fuego pink. Pretty sure if Fuego is like flame or fire or something in Spanish or whatever, I don't know. I saw these on ShanXO, so I was like, oh, they look nice, I gotta get them. And of course, why not just spend your money on useless things when at home doing nothing? Sure, why not? And then this called Baywatch, like a pink, kind of clearish. Let's pull one out and have a look. Let's see what it's like. So as you can see, I took off the last set. If you guys didn't see those videos, I'll link them in the description box below. So this is how my nails are looking currently. Not the best, but you know, we work with what we got. So this is what they are like. They're kind of a little bit clear, but they're just like a soft pink, which is nice. Pretty natural, goes with anything. That's, I think, the main thing. Obviously those flame ones aren't natural, but you know, why not try something different? You can take them off, so no biggie. They're the 3 that I've got. And then I bought on Amazon like gel polish. These are just from Amazon with a base and a top coat. So my gel lamp isn't here yet, but hopefully it comes sometime soon, so then I can try these out. The base coat and a top coat, that's those. It came in this little box. I thought they'd be bigger, the bottles, but maybe they're just tiny ones. They were a decent price. And then in this set I just got a bunch of neutrals, if I can remember correctly. I thought if I'm going to invest in gel polishes, I might as well pick a color scheme that I know I'm going to use and not just have it go to waste. So this is 122. It's like a really nice pink, really pretty. And then 116, nudie beige, really pretty color. The lighting is not that great, sorry, I apologize. It's coming up more beige on camera, but it's a bit more peach in person. 108, it's like a nice brownie color. 107, it's like what I said before, mostly browns and kind of nudes, and like a cooler tone brown, I guess, if that's what you call it, maybe. Oh god. 110. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a purpley pinky nude. Really pretty color. Then last but not least, looks like a nice chocolate brown. Don't know if I'd ever wear this, but you know, whoa. Yeah, this is super dark. But this is like a reddish chocolatey brown. But yeah, so that's all those colors. I'll see if I can find the invoice and tell you how much these were. Hopefully they're not too expensive. I think this Aimeili brand is pretty cheap on Amazon anyway. So it's probably like 20 bucks or something, I reckon. I don't know. I buy so much stuff on Amazon, it's hard to keep track. So I've got those gel polishes and then the stick-on nails. So honestly, these stick-on nails were a bit more expensive just because I think everyone's getting them now. So, you know, all that hype. Okay, so these base coat and the top coat, that was $7.99, which is really good. And then this 6 nude polish set, that was $20.99, which is not bad. I did order a lamp, like I told you guys, for $23.99, and that's only arriving. I placed this order on the 30th of April, and it's only arriving in June, so I'll have to wait a bit before I try it out, but that's okay. I thought this would actually take heaps longer to get here, but these came pretty quick. Yeah, so with this She Nail Talons, I'll leave the link and the Instagram and website and stuff down in the description. You can have a look. I'll also link, if I can, these nail polishes, and if you want, you can have a look at those as well. But yeah, so I don't know which ones I should put on. Maybe I should put on these ones. Or I still have, from my last video, these ones from Vluxe. But seeing as how well the last time went with these ones, maybe I'll try something different. I'll keep this for another day. Maybe I'll try these, but I don't know if I like the shape of these ones.
A few moments later.
I don't know
2,000 years later.
what to do. What to do.
One eternity later.
I'll just put these on. Or do I want some flames? Is that too... That's a bit much though, isn't it? Calm down, Stephanie. Who do you think you are? Some kind of outgoing person, clearly, which I'm not. Let's try the tabs as well. But how do you do the tabs? See, this is the issue. I'm like, yeah, let's try something new, but I don't know if that's a good idea. Okay, you know what? Let's just size these first. One step at a time. Don't get bloody too far ahead of yourself. Okay, I'm just gonna size. I'll try and size these. What size is this? It doesn't tell you. Oh, that's pretty crap. So I have to go through every single one. Yeah, that's too big. This is too big. That's possible. This is too big. Oh, who has a thumb this big? What the hell? So how do you know if they're the same? Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, move along. They're the same size as the other one, maybe. These are the same. How do you know? How do you know? Oh god, that's too small. So maybe this one. Maybe this one works. Okay, thumb for that. Then that's too big. Possible. This will be so much easier if they had numbers on them. Whoa, these are long. I don't know if I like this. And they curve down. I don't know if you can see. I don't like when they curve down because that's my... Oh, what's on there? Ew, gross. Sorry about my dry skin as well. It's a bit, you know, it's me. Dry skin Stephanie. Yeah, my natural nails curve down like this. And that's why I get them sculpted if I want to have them longer because I don't like that curved shape. Oh, this is an issue now. Oh no. But I guess I could cut them, but then what's the point? Should I just go with it? Maybe I should just suck it up and... I swear half of my video is me complaining. Just calm down. I should probably be more optimistic instead of a bloody negative Nancy over here. Is that... Am I even sizing properly? I think that's okay. This is the smallest one. My fingers are tiny. Okay, I'll have to maybe reshape. If you guys haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. The plan is to not only do nail videos, I want to do some cooking videos as well. Maybe if anybody's interested, just do a bunch of different things. Maybe I'm only doing nails now because I don't have anything else to do. Oh my god, am I even in focus or on screen? Sorry, it's too big, but I need it. Oh, of course, I forgot these ones in here. Yeah, so I plan to do cooking videos, maybe some other kinds of videos as well. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I have the time, so no issues here. Wait, did I size this one? Is that? Oh god. Okay, that's that. I need a bigger one for this finger. Okay, that'll do. And that one, and then the smallest one, I think it is. Okay, so let's put all these away. I get confused. Okay, no glue today. We'll just try it with the... Oh no, what happened? Man, I think that goes there. The bigger one is the other one. Let's just try again, just to make sure. So the top is the left and the bottom is the right. Hopefully I don't forget and screw it up like I did last time. I have from the last time, if you guys watched my removing the press on nail video, I'll link that or whatever. I'll put it somewhere in the... I have a nail strengthener on my nails, so let me just go and get some nail polish remover. I'll take that off pretty quick if I can find it. Of course, it's on the floor. So we're very organized. I don't have any cotton buds, so I'll just use some tissue. Oh my god, how bad is this? It should be fine. Going a bit ghetto here, guys. It's okay. If it works, you can't really complain, can ya? Hopefully this works properly and it's not a complete fail. And my nails are growing pretty quickly, actually. It's only been a week since I took off the last set and I cut them pretty short to start fresh, but they've grown back pretty quick. Like there's a decent amount of growth there. Anyway, let me just go back and shape if I need to. Make sure they're all nice and even. I don't know why, but if my nails are short like this, I'm more likely to bite them. I'm not really a nail biter, but maybe because I'm not doing anything as well. So, you know, when you're bored and it's just a habit, but normally I'm okay. Anyway, what does that have to do with anything? Who knows? So I'm also thinking of doing like segments. So for nail stuff, I'm thinking of doing like a Steph'S nail studio or something like, even though obviously I'm not a professional by any means, I have no idea what I'm doing, but you know, just for play on word purposes, I think it sounds nice, rolls off the tongue nice. And then if eventually I get into other stuff, I like when it starts with, you know, Steph's something, or, you know, something that sounds like good wordplay, you know, more captivating. So like for my cooking segments, I already know that I want to have like a Chef Steph segment. I think that'd be fun. I'm not a cook like by any means. I know how to follow a recipe, so there's that. It's not like I'm gonna create any masterpieces or, you know, anything too innovative, but I thought people might wanna watch me struggle to do everyday things, and you know, this is the channel for you. Okay, so what do I have to, what does it say here? Find the talon sizes that fit you best and lay them out in order. Done. Prep your natural nails by gently buffing them using the buffer provided. Which side? Like this side? But that's for the glue. What do you do for the stick on things? Okay, step, oh wait, I need to push back my cuticles, don't I? I think at least these videos have taught me something, hopefully. I've also had a electric file in my Amazon cart for a while. Just, I want to get one so bad, but I know that I don't have a steady hand at all. Can't even color inside the lines in a coloring book. So I know if I get it and try to use it on myself or anybody else, I would probably make them bleed to death. So how do I do this? Oh, let me clean this first. I'm scared. So I'm just gonna get the smallest one. Oh, they're pretty sticky. So this is gonna end badly if I don't know, or I know that I don't know what I'm doing. Stick that on there. Try and line it up as best you can. I probably should have looked up videos of how to do this, but you know, of course, my logic, it's like, nah, you'll be right. And then we get to the actual doing it, major regrets. Okay, top was left, right? Hopefully. So I peeled off that top layer and we're just gonna stick it down. I don't know if I like this curve. This is gonna really irritate me. But hopefully with these tabs, the nails aren't gonna really last that long. Maybe a couple of days anyway, so it should be okay. How do you, maybe this one? How do you know? If you can't tell already, I'm just winging it, guys. There is no method to this madness here. Is that the saying? I don't even know what the saying is. How long do these last for with the things on here? And does it have to completely cover your whole nail? Because these aren't covering the whole nail. I'm just pushing down because I can see that there's like air pockets. Oh no, did I size this too small? Oh no, because see, look at it. It's not covering fully. It's okay, Steph. But I probably didn't take into account that, you know, this is not like a thin tab. So it makes, probably should have gone and sized up maybe. Well, this is going pretty good. Probably better than I originally anticipated, which is nice for a change. But also, I may speak too soon. Maybe I shouldn't jinx it. Not looking too bad. I mean, you know, could be better probably. Maybe I should have done this with all of them. Probably like sized it better. Is this one gonna be too big? Oh no, there's a oh no, can you see? There's a massive air bubble in there. I don't know how to do it otherwise. Like, how are you supposed to get it on without, like, I'm trying to go from like press here and go out, but I don't know how. Really cute, kind of, you know, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Did I buff this one? I should have, why do I do this to myself? I should have prepared both of them first. And then I've seen on the Instagram page for this She Talons that some people do cut them down and reshape them. I want to do that, but I don't know if that's such a good idea because knowing me and my talent, or lack thereof rather, probably ruin them completely and won't be able to use them again. I'll just take this off and repeat. Wish me luck. Again. Okay guys, here you go, finished look. This is what we finished with. Turned out pretty good. The only thing I don't like is that I didn't size the stickers properly, and they came up a bit small. So where you can see the lighter bits of the pink, it looks like it's, you know, not the same color because it's not stuck down to my skin properly. And then you can see like the little air pockets in there. Maybe it's too bright. You can see like all these lighter bits is where it's not in contact with my nail bed. So it looks like a lighter color. That's the only issue. Other than that, I like the shape, but I don't like that they're curved. I'm not a curved nail person. That's why I get them fixed, because that's how my nails naturally grow. Also, what I found was because I didn't take into account the sticky tabs, I should have gone up a size with my nails because, you know, there's bits showing. It's pretty bad. They don't look like they fit, but without the tab, they did. Well, that's what I thought anyway. But yeah, so this is just a recap of what I bought and got in the mail. The gel polishes and the press-on nails. And this is the set that I did. So when I get the lamp, I'll definitely do a video of that. I'm not sure if I'll do it on these clear ones or on my natural nails. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'll leave all the links for all this stuff down there as well so you can have a look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.